Hello everyone, I'm Ankita Bhattar, a UI UX designer at Sports First. Thanks for tuning in. As a designer, I'm passionate about creating user-friendly interfaces. Today, we are going to focus on topic communication features. Communication features are essential in enhancing usability, engagement, and trust in apps. From acknowledging actions to providing feedback and support, this element helps users to interact seamlessly with the platform. Let's explore how leading fitness apps like Strava integrate these features effectively. Acknowledgement. Every action a user takes should be acknowledged, provide reassurance and clarity. In Strava, when users complete a workout and logs it, a subtle yet effective notification appears confirming the entry. This instant acknowledgement eliminates uncertainty and reassures users that their activity has been successfully recorded. Similarly, when users share their workout, they receive a confirmation pop up that ensures their data is properly shared with the community. Action messages. Guiding users through specific interactions is essential for engagement. Strava uses action driven prompts such as start your next challenge or join a club to connect with others. These messages provide contextual nudges that encourage users to take meaningful actions without overwhelming them. Whether it's suggesting a new running route or prompting users to explore premium features, action messages make navigation effortless and intuitive. Confirmation messages. After completing an important action, confirmation messages reinforce success and build user trust. For instance, when user successfully uploads a new route, Strava displays a message saying your route has been saved successfully. Similarly, when users update their profile information, they receive a confirmation stating your changes have been saved. This messages eliminates guesswork and provide immediate validation that their action has been executed correctly. Empty state messages. A blank screen can feel discouraging, which is why Strava incorporates engaging empty state messages. When users have no recorded activities or saved routes, Strava replaces the empty space with motivational prompt like start your first run today or discover new routes near you. These messages not only provide guidance but also encourage users to take their first step towards an active lifestyle. Feature information. Introducing a new feature effectively is key to user adoption. Strava ensures users to stay informed by offering interactive tooltips, banners, and pop ups. It guides users when a new feature is rolled out. For example, when Strava introduced the group challenge feature, it includes a short walkthrough explaining how users can invite friends and set fitness goals together. This micro interaction helps users to understand new features without feeling overwhelmed. Feedback. Social engagement is a core aspect of Strava's community driven platform. The app enables users to give feedback on workouts through features like kudos and comments. When a user completes a run or a cycling session, friends and fellow athletes can instantly react with a thumbs up to celebrate their achievement. This feedback system fosters motivation and enhances users' engagement, making workouts more enjoyable and interactive. Help and support. A well structured help center is crucial for user satisfaction. The streamlined support system enhances trust and reliability. Permissions. When Strava requests access to location services, health data, or push notification, it ensures transparency by explaining why each permission is needed. For instance, a message like enable GPS to track your workouts accurately provides users with clear reasoning behind the request. By framing permissions in a user friendly manner, Strava helps users to feel more comfortable granting necessary actions while maintaining control over their data. Suggestions. Strava enhances the user experience by offering personalized suggestions tailored to each user's activity history. For example, after completing a few running sessions, the app may suggest try a new running route near you based on popular paths in the area. This personalized insights encourage users to diversify their workouts and explore new challenges, keeping their fitness journey engaging and dynamic. Similar items. When users log an activity, Strava suggests related challenges, routes, or clubs to join. For example, if a user logs a cycling session, they might see recommendations like join the weekend cycling challenge or follow top cyclists in your region. By curating relevant content, Strava keeps users engaged and encourages continuous interaction within the app's fitness community. Why communication features matter? Communication features in fitness apps are more than just messages on a screen. They help to create a seamless and engaging experience for users. By incorporating acknowledgement, feedback, and helpful suggestions, Strava ensures that users remain motivated, informed, and connected throughout their fitness journey. When designed effectively, these features contribute to user satisfaction and long term app retention. Thanks for listening. Let's stay connected for upcoming videos in the future. Hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss an episode. It's just one click away. And don't forget to share this with your friends, family, or anyone who loves sports technology, or leave us a review or a comment. See you next time. Thank you.